Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are good and you are studying properly. You know, in the last lecture we had started active passive, and now in this lecture we will be focusing on the formulas and examples of active passive. Means I will tell you that how can you change active voice into passive voice. As I have already explained you about the definition and the rules of active passive in the previous class, but I would like to give its review again. So what we had read about active passive, now let me explain you again the definition of active voice. It indicates that the subject of the verb is acting or performing an action. As I had explained you that subject or performer or doer is active in the active voice, means a subject is supposed to perform an action. While you are going to make active voice, so you must have subject or performer who is performing an action. Subject is active in active voice, means it indicates the subject or performer who is performing an action. एक्टिव वॉइस में आप उस सब्जेक्ट को इंडिकेट करते हैं, उस सब्जेक्ट को शो करते हैं कि जो अपना एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा होता है. मीन्स आप किसी भी सेंटेंस में अगर किसी एक्शन को परफॉर्म होते हुए दिखा रहे हैं तो उसको परफॉर्म करने वाला कौन है? दैट इज सब्जेक्ट. सो मीन्स यू गिव स्ट्रेस ऑन सब्जेक्ट इन द एक्टिव वॉइस. विदाउट सब्जेक्ट यू कांट मेक एक्टिव वॉइस. Now let's discuss about the definition of passive voice. As I already had told you that in the active voice you must have subject. On the other hand, in passive voice you must have object. Means without object you can't make passive voice. The whole importance will be given on the object in passive voice. As what I have told you, while you are making passive voice, you have to replace the subject with the object. That was the rule number 1, that you have to replace the subject by the object. And what was our second rule? Second rule was you have to use third form of verb in the passive voice. As you see, when we make tenses of active voice like present simple tense, past simple tense and future simple tense, so we use different types of forms of verb. Like in present simple we use first form of verb, and in past simple we use second form of verb, and in future simple we use will with the first form of verb. So that's why we see that we use different types of form of verbs while we make active voice. But you need to remember this, you must have to use third form of verb while you are making passive voice. So now let's have a look at the example. This is a sentence of active voice. I eat an apple. So you see, I is a subject, eat is a form of verb, and apple is an object. So you see, when we are going to make it passive, so we have replaced the subject with the object. Means आपने देखा कि एक्टिव से जब आप पैसिव बना रहे हैं तो सब्जेक्ट से ऑब्जेक्ट रिप्लेस हो गया है, एंड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विल बी चेंज, and the first form of verb eat will be changed into third form of verb. Eat will be changed into eaten. And similarly, I will be changed into me. Active, they eat 3 apples. But what will be its passive? 3 apples are eaten by them. So, what rules I have told you? First, you have to replace the subject with the object. And second, you have to use third form of verb. And third rule is that you have to use by before the subject, but it is not necessary to use by. You will have to use by when you are showing that who is performing an action and the action is performed by someone. Now let's discuss about the formulas of active passive. Means with the help of formula you can change active voice into passive voice. So first of all, have a look at the formulas of present simple, that how can you change present simple tenses into passive voice. मीन्स आप प्रेजेंट सिंपल के एक्टिव वॉइस को पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक यू सी द फॉर्मूला. सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस SES एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो नाउ when will it be changed? So its formula will be subject plus is MR plus third form of verb and plus by and object. So इसका एक्टिव वॉइस आप नीचे वाले कॉलम में देखिए. We eat rice. So we is the subject, eat is a first form of verb and rice is an object. And similarly, when we make its passive, so rice which is an object in active voice, it will replace the position of subject. So rice is eaten by us. And similarly, the whole active voice will be changed into passive voice. We eat rice, rice is eaten by us. We don't eat rice, rice is not eaten by us. Do we eat rice? Is rice eaten by us? Now have a look at the formulas of past simple tense, that how can you change active voice into passive voice of past simple tense. So you know very well, when we make active voice of past simple tense, so we first use subject plus second form of verb and plus object. So we ate rice. We is a subject, ate is the second form of eat and rice is an object. So similarly, it will be changed into rice was eaten by us. We ate rice, ये आपका एक्टिव वॉइस है, एंड राइस वॉज ईटन बाय अस, ये आपका पैसिव वॉइस है. तो जब आपने एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज किया है, तो इसका फॉर्मूला क्या था? सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर्ब प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब plus by and plus object. So we ate rice, rice was eaten by us. We did not eat rice, rice was not eaten by us. Did we eat rice? Was rice eaten by us? So means students, when you are going to change active voice into passive voice, you have to follow the formulas. Now let's see about the future tenses, means how can you change active voice into passive voice of future simple. एक्टिव वॉइस में फ्यूचर सिंपल का फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड सिमिलरली इसका पैसिव वॉइस का फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल शैल प्लस बी प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो When we change active voice into passive voice, that how will it be done? We will eat rice, rice will be eaten by us. We will not eat rice, rice will not be eaten by us. Will we eat rice? Will rice be eaten by us? So students, now let's see the formulas of present continuous tense. जब आप एक्टिव वॉइस में प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का टेंस बनाते हैं तो सबसे पहले आप क्या यूज़ करते हैं? सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. So its sentence is about we are eating rice. And when you will make its passive voice, so what will it be? Its formula subject plus is mr plus being plus third form of verb and plus by object. Rice is being eaten by us. We are not eating rice. Rice is not being eaten by us. Are we eating rice? Is rice being eaten by us? So students, now you can see the formula of past continuous tense. The formula of past continuous tense in active voice is subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus object. And similarly, its passive formula will be subject plus was verb plus being plus third form of verb plus object. So now let's have a look at the examples. We were eating rice. Rice was being eaten by us. And now let me tell you one more important thing, that is the passive of future continuous and present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous will not be done. Means आपके ये चार सेंटेंसेस हैं, चार टेंसेस हैं जिनका पैसिव वॉइस पॉसिबल नहीं होता, जिनका पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता है. एक तो आपका फ्यूचर कॉन्टीन्यूस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता, सेकंड आपका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता, सिमिलरली आपका पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस का पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनता, एंड देन लास्ट आपका फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस का पैसिव वॉइस भी नहीं बनता है. सो यू हैव टू रिमाइंड दिस when the tenses of future continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous will come in front of you, so you have to remind this, their passive will not be done, so you just have to write this impossible या not possible. Okay, so students, now have a look at the formulas and example of present perfect tense. Subject plus has, have plus third form of verb and plus object. We have eaten rice and its passive formula subject plus have, has plus been plus third form of verb and plus by object. Rice has been eaten by us. We have eaten rice and rice has been eaten by us. So students, are you looking that we are replacing subject with the object and we are using third form of verb and we are using by before the subject while we are making passive voice. And past perfect tense, its active formula will be subject plus had plus third form of verb and plus object, and its passive formula will be subject plus had plus been plus third form of verb and plus by object. And its example will be we had eaten rice, rice had been eaten by us. Future perfect tense, the formula of future perfect tense in the active voice will be subject plus will, shall plus have plus third form of verb and plus object. We will have eaten rice. And its passive formula will be subject plus will, shall plus have been plus third form of verb and plus object. Rice will have been eaten by us. If we look at the example, of active voice, we will have eaten rice, and its passive will be rice will have been eaten by us. We will not have been eaten rice. Rice will not have been eaten by us. Will we have eaten rice? Will rice have been eaten by us? The formulas and its example, that how we have used, that how we have changed active voice into passive voice, as I will be sharing with you its copy work. And one more important thing, students, you just have to do the work of PDF file in your copies. मीन्स आपकी जो ये लेक्चर है इसमें जो भी वर्किंग है इसमें से जस्ट आप इसके फार्मूलाज और एग्जाम्पल पिक कर सकते हैं। वो आपको इसमें से फार्मूलाज और एग्जाम्पल अपनी कॉपीज़ में लिखनी है, इस जो भी लेक्चर में बताई गई हैं फार्मूलाज और एग्जाम्पल्स। And the copy work of PDF that I will be sharing with you, you have to do in your copies. So students, hopefully you have understood this lecture. Allah Hafiz, take care. Thank you very much indeed.